If you're someone who enjoys spending time in the great outdoors and relishes a good meal, then camping cookware is an essential item that you should have. There are many products available to choose camping cookwares, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best camping cookwares from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Oden Camping Cookware Stove. The Oden Camping Cookware Stove Carabiner Canister Stand Tripod and Stainless Steel Cup Set is the perfect addition to any outdoor enthusiast gear collection. This lightweight and compact set includes a stove, canister stand, tripod, stainless steel cup, tank bracket, fork and spoon, making it easy to cook and enjoy a hot meal while on the go. Whether you're backpacking, camping, hiking, or picnicking, this kit is versatile and durable enough to withstand any outdoor adventure. The green color adds a touch of style to your gear, while the high-quality materials ensure that it will last for many trips to come. Number 2. Buan 24,131,184 PCS Camping Cookware. The Buan 13 PCS Camping Cookware Mess Kit is a must-have for any outdoor enthusiast. This lightweight and compact set includes a kettle, pot, frying pan, bowls, plates, and spoons, making it perfect for family hiking trips or picnics. Made from high-quality materials, this cookware set is durable and easy to clean. Whether you're boiling water for coffee or cooking up a hearty meal, the Buan Camping Cookware Mess Kit has got you covered. So, pack up your gear and hit the trails with confidence, knowing you have the perfect cooking companion. Number 3. AAR Camping Cooking. The Camping Cooking Set is a 12-in-1 non-stick camping cookware kit perfect for anyone who loves the outdoors. This compact and lightweight set includes a camping pot, pans, and all the necessary utensils for cooking up a delicious meal while on the go. The easy-to-clean mess kit is ideal for backpacking and camping and makes a great gift for any camping enthusiast. The set is designed to work with backpacking stoves and other camping gear and is made from high-quality materials to ensure durability and longevity. Whether you're an experienced camper or just starting out, this camping cookware set is a must-have for any outdoor adventure. Number 4. Gutstore Camping Cookware. The Gutstore Camping Cookware Set is an 11-piece non-stick cooking equipment that is perfect for your outdoor adventures. Lightweight and stackable, this set includes a pot, pan, bowls, and utensils, all of which can be neatly stored in the included storage bag. Whether you're camping, hiking, or enjoying a campfire, this cookware set is a must-have for any outdoor enthusiast. Made with high-quality materials, it's durable and easy to clean, making it a reliable option for all your cooking needs in the great outdoors. Number 5. Alocs Camping Cookware. The Alocs Camping Cookware is a must-have for any outdoor enthusiast looking to cook up a delicious meal while enjoying nature. This portable cooking set is lightweight and perfect for hiking, backpacking, or picnics with a 2-3 person capacity. The kit includes a camping pot and non-stick pans, making it easy to cook a variety of meals. The durable materials make it long-lasting and suitable for all weather conditions. Don't let hunger stop you from enjoying the great outdoors with the Alocs Camping Cookware. That's all from on my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.